me spinning, neon halos in the rain. Too many nights with no one with me, trying to laugh away the ache. Every hour moves in slow motion, every thought comes back to you. I keep inventing small distractions, but none of them can pull me through. You keep slipping through my daydreams, turning quiet into noise, and every corner of my small world echoes with the thought of your voice. So what a sweet delusion, falling for you like I do, filling up these empty pages with the little things I'd never say to you. The steady-hearted girl I used to be has disappeared without a trace. I try to act like I'm collected, then your memory gives me away. Oh, what a sweet delusion, being so undone by you. I used to roll my eyes at dreamers, girls who floated off so far. Now I'm the one who checks the window, counting wishes on a star. I never thought I'd lose my balance, never thought I'd speak this way. But now my careful words keep falling every time you cross my brain. You move softly through my mind now like a record low and blue, and I keep building little futures that may never quite come true. Oh, what a sweet delusion, falling for you like I do, filling up these empty pages with the little things I never say to you. The self-assured side deep inside me has gone missing night by night. I try to hold my head up proudly, but your name unravels my disguise. Oh, what a sweet delusion, being so undone by you. I linger near the silence, waiting for the screen to glow like some black and white romantic scene I used to think I'd outgrow. And in a crowded room I catch myself mistaking strangers for your face. My heart keeps rushing to the doorway anytime footsteps change their pace. Oh, what a sweet delusion, how you color all I do. Every song becomes a confession, every night bends back to you. The calm and capable girl I was feels farther than the moon. Now I'm all blush and second chances, hoping I might see you soon. Oh, what a sweet delusion, being so in love with you. Sweet delusion, hold me near, you're the only thing I hear. I know you came here 你站在门边，把伞收得很满，雨滴挂在袖口，像没说完的晚安。我把杯子转一圈，看冰块轻轻晃。你的眼神太安静，却把我整晚照亮。别再靠近一点，我会先失踪。你一句没说出口，我就已经心动。太慢了，太慢了，我的心太慢了。你一转身，我就跟着乱了。太慢了，太慢了，整夜都在晃着。你靠过来，我就舍不得走了。吧台的玻璃边，留着你的指纹。
哇，
我
你
假装在
听
听别人，其实只听你的停顿。你说话很轻，想把门轻轻推开，我明明想退后，却又想往前来。别再靠近一点，我会先失踪。你一句没说出口，我就已经心动。太慢了，太慢了，我的心太慢了。你一转身，我就跟着乱了。太慢了，太慢了，整夜都在晃着。你靠过来，我就舍不得走了。我不想装冷静，也不想装没事。你看我一眼就把我的防线弄湿，说慢一点，再慢一点，让我记住你掌心的